Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Ring stick-up cam plug-in. So you get two cords. One is for indoor use and this one is for outdoor use. So here's the actual camera. Now there is a piece of tape right on the lens. Make sure you remove that and all the plastic around. Now let's take a look at the back. This is how you're going to power the camera up. There's a little cover here, and this power cord has... This is how you're going to power the camera, okay? And for indoor use, you're simply going to plug this into the wall outlet. You're going to use this cable. Now you can still install a battery, but you can only have one way of powering it, either the battery or external power. It's still the camera that takes a battery. But when you want to put this outdoor, this is weatherproof right here. This connection here, all of that is weatherproof. So in this cable, but this part's not. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this button, and then this part's going to slide off. It's kind of hard. Now we put the weatherproof connector on. So you're simply just going to slide it on. And it can be a little hard. You want to push it in until that's nice and flush. Now this is weather tight now. I can put this outside. I've got some mounts. And now I can plug this. I get a little bit longer cord now, and I can plug this in. Now this is all weather tight. I can put this outside and rain is not going to affect it. Okay, so this cable is 8 feet long. This other cable, it is 15 feet long. And again, you're just going to plug this into an outlet. It is kind of angled, but 15 feet long if you want to do it. Now you could use this indoor also. I mean, you don't have to use that outdoor if you wanted to extend it. But again, you simply just push it on there. Or if I want indoor, I'm going to put this one on if I don't want that long of a cable. Now you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Its output is 5 volts, 2.5 amps for 12.5 watts. Okay, so in the bag we get some security screws and some mounting screws. So let's go over those. So here on the actual camera, there's the mounting bracket. When you see the word up, you're going to push that down, and now you're going to mount this. Now you don't have to. You can set this just on the table, but you could mount this on the wall and put the camera like this. But we can also take this off. You can also take this off, this mount off. It's designed to do this, okay? And that's what this other little plug is for. So if you want to put it on the wall, it's like a little bolt. So you just kind of line those up. You don't want to force it. And now you should be able to tighten that screw down. Now I can mount this on the wall and it's pointing that way. I still have a little bit of adjustment with it, you can see. And then you can mount this on the wall with the word up and line up the two ups. And it's going to start out kind of low, and then you're going to slide it down onto that mount. Now, if you want to install a security screw, you can take that little plug out right there, and a security screw, which you get these little bitty ones. They're not wood screws, but they're just little security screws. You could screw that through. You would turn the camera, screw that through that little thread there, so that you would at least have to undo the security screw to take the camera off. Otherwise, the mounting screws are here. You can mount it. Now they do give you one extra, but they don't give you 4. So say you want to mount this when it's on the power adapter, they don't give you the screws to mount this. And so again, this is a weather tight connection when you've got this on. And again, here it is one, and you could put another security screw right here. It does give you 2. I see that now. There's a little spot right here. Take that little cover off, and you can put a security screw through there so they can't take the cover off. Again, if you want to do away with the power, you can just put a battery in here. Now there's the QR code. We are going to have to scan that in order to set this up for the very first time. And you will need to plug all this in. And we will need to change the power source. Make sure the power source says that it's from AC. Okay, I've got the plug-in plugged in. I'm going to plug this in. There's a blue light on the front. And it plays the music whenever it's coming online. So go to your Ring app, hit Setup Device, click on Security Cams. Okay, so it's going to use your camera, and you're going to scan that QR code on the bottom of the camera with your camera. Then it's going to ask you the address. Now, where are you installing this? So let's say you can pick indoors or outdoors. I'm going to put indoors. Through the window, no. Into the house. Now here's an important step. Will you power the stick-up cam? An electrical socket, battery or solar panel, or a pan tilt stick-up cam? I'm going to be putting an electrical socket. You've selected a wired power option. That's because I'm plugging it in. So hit got it. Plug it in, wait 30 seconds. Yep, stick cam is on. Where is it going to be located? It's going to be located in the kitchen. Make sure you remove the protective film. I have a password. So my light is flashing blue. If it wasn't, you'd hit the reset button down there till about 10 seconds. So the light's flashing blue. Okay, so it says we're connected. You're going to pick your Wi-Fi and give it your Wi-Fi password.
Just a moment.
All right, it's connecting to Wi-Fi. It's probably going to have to do an update also.
Update. This may take several minutes.
Okay, so yeah, it's installing an update. Right, while we're waiting on the update, I forgot to measure that. That sticks out about 1.5 inches. It's about 2 inches that way and about 1.25 inches that way. Okay, that took about 5 minutes. It says setup successful. Okay, there's the video quality. It is extremely good video quality and in real time. I can speak to it. I can listen. I can turn the speaker on and listen to it, and I could talk to somebody through it also. Okay, let's go over some more measurements. The camera is about 4 inches, about a 2.25 inches diameter. The cable does stick out the back about 1/2 inch. If you mount it to the wall, it's going to be about 3.5 inches. That mount adds about another 1/2 inch. So if I stick the mount on the bottom, about another 1/2 inch. But you can see, still you can rotate wherever you need it. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.